Precious, why you send me that message? Where did they go?
What does it look like? You cannot take care of me. You're broke. Just look at your dressing.
Precious,
This morning I've not eaten. Take your care, baby.
Precious! Hey!
Oh, Kotoriba.
Ah, babe, have fun, huh?
Hey, see. I'm Precious. I cannot date a guy like you. You are so broke. See,
I'm
my friends
broke.
are exhausting because of this. Take your care.
Precious! Hi, Jesus Christ! If I date Precious again, make I bend. Hi, Jesus! Hi, Jesus! For my life, I don't suffer from Precious' hand. I don't suffer. Just Jesus.
Back up!
Fine girl.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
This man!
My name is Michael. You know, I've suffered in the hand of men called Precious. Hope you are not like them. Hope you are not precious.
No, I'm not precious, so my name is not precious. So.
Can I have your number, please?
Okay.
What's a fine girl?
090.
Hey, you know we have dated for a year now. Let's take this relationship to another level. I want to marry you. I love you so much.
Oh my God!
Hell.
Two, 4, 7. Every day you come through for me. I had no essence, had no meaning, Lord. You showed up for me. What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to sit at your right hand? What did I do to deserve this kind of love?
I, Reverend Apollo Sukebu, hereby certify that on the 27th day of February 2023 at Open Golden Church, Mr. Caution Official and Precious Amaka.
Precious? Your name be Precious? So your name be Precious?
Do me like this. Jesus.
Hey, Precious, that you need. I don't see for Precious, man. This one, na Precious again. I know they